let's look at the best podcast microphones you can buy today. And as usual, we have the links to all the microphones mentioned in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. AudioTechnica AT2020 USB. Here's one of the more affordable AudioTechnica podcast microphones. The USB mic features a cardioid polar pattern and shows impressive off-axis sound rejection qualities. I find it a suitable option for podcasting, voiceovers, and all sorts of studio recording applications. The ATR2500X has a sturdy metal construction and should be compatible with most standard desk mounts. What makes it stand out, though, is its low-mass diaphragm. This design allows for a wider and more accurate frequency response, which ultimately translates to clearer vocals. The AD converter is good, but won't give you more than a 16-bit 48 kHz sampling rate. That's pretty much the industry standard. Although it has pretty standard dimensions, excluding the diaphragm, the ATR2500X comes with an adjustable desktop stand. That means that you can angle it, I recommend slightly upwards, but also consider your guest's height. Number 4. Shure SM7B. The Shure SM7B is a dynamic cardioid microphone that features bass roll-off and wide frequency response. It's optimized for instruments and vocals, making it a very good choice for any podcast that involves some live acoustic music too. If you're most worried about mechanical noise, know that the SM7B features an internal air suspension design, something that Shure often uses in tandem with pop filters. I like the idea of a built-in pop filter since it eliminates the need to buy any new accessories. The SM7B does a terrific job against plosives. This quality makes it suitable for not just for podcasts, but also voiceover work, narration, and even vocals recordings. One thing that slightly raises this mic's value is the A7WS windscreen. It wasn't available in previous iterations of the SM7B, but it quickly became a standard. The widescreen is detachable too, so if you don't like it, you can take it off. Now, you may be concerned a bit about the price. If you want high-end quality, you'll have to pay a bit more. That said, the SM7B is not just good, but it also comes with a replacement Shure RPM 106 cartridge, as well as highly durable construction and superior magnetic shielding. Number 3. Rode NT USB. Though much cheaper than most of its competition, the Rode NT USB is a very interesting studio-quality podcast microphone. It comes with loads of features and accessories that can help you boost the quality of your podcasts and take things to the next level. Rode includes a tripod desk stand, a ring mount, and an effective pop shield. The latter is a very nice addition at this price point, as it has a dramatic impact on the recording quality. The 20-foot USB cable comes in handy too, as it won't limit your studio arrangement options. Zero latency monitoring is also an option, as you can use any pair of headphones with a standard 3.5mm jack with the microphone. You may also appreciate the individual control knobs for the mic and headphones, conveniently located on the right side of the mic under the pop filter. The 16-bit resolution is a standard at this price point. You're unlikely to need more, even if you plan on being the next YouTube sensation. You can easily compensate with your recording software if you're not pleased with the standard audio definition of the Rode NT USB. Number 2. AudioTechnica AT2020 USB Plus. The AT2020 USB Plus is a condenser mic. It's a plug-and-play device optimized for digital vocal recordings. One of the reasons it performs so well is the high-end AD converter, which is responsible for giving the mic a 16-bit 44.1 48 kHz sampling rate and a very clear audio pickup. If you're a beginner, buying a single podcast microphone may not be enough. In most cases, you'll need a more reliable setup. That's where the accessories come in and where the AT2020 shines. You can also get this mic in a complete streaming podcast pack along with a studio boom arm and headphones. The boom arm is quite high-end for this price range. It's well stabilized, capable of 360 degrees rotation, and very sturdy. Of course, the mic and boom aren't the only two professional-grade components in this pack. The bundle contains a pair of ATH-M20X headphones too. These provide good sound isolation and enhance the mid-range vocals so that you can hear each guest in great detail. Number 1. Blue Yeti USB mic. The Blue Yeti USB mic is one of the most popular podcast mics on the market. Gaming enthusiasts, streamers, professional podcasters, and many others who need superior recording quality use this mic. The mic features 3 condenser capsules and 4 switchable pickup patterns. Therefore, you can use the Blue Yeti as a simple cardioid, stereo, bidirectional, and omnidirectional mic, with the pickup patterns well calibrated for talking to guests and a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The audio quality is quite impressive. What I like most about the Blue Yeti is the fact that it's optimized for vocals. Not only that, but it also has some strong filters which help block out even more ambient noise. If a simple control interface is what you're after, the Blue Yeti has that too. The mic features a mute button and the gain knob. While this doesn't exactly scream customization, it's still something. I should also point out that using the headphone jack will allow you to listen in zero latency conditions. The microphone comes with a decent stand too. However, you have to be quite close if you want the optimal pickup volume. Thanks for watching.